How to hide and unhide messages on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Messenger application on your device. So let's go to the Play Store and search for Messenger application. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version as I don't have the option of update. So I'm going to go back and then open up the Messenger application. Make sure that you're logged in. Now, in order to hide the messages, what you have to do is simply tap and make a long press on the message and then tap on archive. Now, as you tap on archive, the message will be hidden and it will not be seen in your chat list. So in order to unhide the messages on Messenger, all you have to do is simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on archive. So here you'll be able to see the all archived or hidden messages. Now you just have to make a long press on the message that you want to unhide and then tap on unarchive and then go back to your chat section, and there you'll be able to see the messages on the Messenger. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.